Ever inserted a picture into Microsoft Word and found you just can't move it where you want? The good news is it's a simple fix, and in the next 2 minutes I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's insert a picture. So go to Insert, Pictures, and choose an image. Now try dragging it around the page. You will notice it doesn't move freely. Instead, it stays attached to the text. That's because Word is treating the picture like a very large letter in your paragraph. Fortunately, it's an easy change. Okay, the fix. Click once on the picture. You'll see this small Layout Options button appear beside it. Click it, and under Wrap Text, choose Square. Now simply drag the picture. You can position it almost anywhere on the page, while Word automatically wraps the surrounding text around it. If you don't see the Layout Options button, you can also select the picture, open the Picture Format tab, choose Wrap Text, and select Square there instead. Which option should you choose? You'll notice there are several wrapping options. For most documents, Square is the best choice because your text flows neatly around the picture. Behind text is useful for backgrounds or watermarks. And in front of text lets you place the picture absolutely anywhere, although it can cover your text if you're not careful. If you insert pictures regularly, here's a handy tip. You can make your preferred wrapping style the default, so every new picture is inserted that way automatically. On Windows, go to File, Options, then Advanced, and change Insert Paste Pictures As. Click OK to save your preference. And let's add another picture to our document, and you'll see it's been imported with the square text wrapping style applied. So if you ever can't move a picture in Microsoft Word, simply change the wrap text setting. For most documents, Square is the best option and gives you the flexibility to position your pictures exactly where you want them. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more top tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.